Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. Okay, now we're gonna make some sides. And this awesome side is gonna be so good and it's so easy to make. A crispy roasted artichokes, so easy. Okay, so the first thing we should do is we should strain and drain these artichokes. So let's get these all strained up. But I like this recipe because you can make it within 25-30 minutes and you may have a can of this stuff laying around and you can do something real quick. We've got our artichoke hearts. They're all drained and they're dried and everything else. We've got our oven on at 400 degrees. It's been preheated. Take a little bit of olive oil here, about 1/3 of a cup. Toss that up. And what's cool is we're gonna take our 4 cloves of garlic and we're gonna leave the skins on the way they are. And we're just gonna toss those in there with it. We're gonna use those later for the aioli sauce. So let's stick these on a pan and let's spread them out real nice. Let's stick it in the oven and let it sit for 25 minutes. All right, let's do it. Let's prep the aioli. We're gonna take a 1/2 cup of mayonnaise, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. We're gonna take a tablespoon of lemon juice. Bingo, bango. Throw that in, and then we'll just kind of mix this up. So that's all mixed up. That's ready to roll there. All we need is the garlic, right? Okay, so it's time to do another little toss on these guys. All right, quick little toss, back in the oven. Let them cook up, let them figure it out. Let's make it happen. Coolio. Okay, so the last couple minutes left, and I've got the garlic. Squeeze it out with a knife. Like that. And there goes the shell. Look at that. Just throw that right in there. That's gonna be good. Just kind of mix it up. Put this into a nice little happy dish. Got the aioli sauce, it's ready to go. Now let's grab our artichokes and pull them out. Look at these guys. Perfect. All right, we're just gonna pile them up. Just like so, okay. A little salt on top. Crack a little pepper on there. And boom, just like that. Done. Hey, come eat. Come try this stuff out. Hey, there's Lulu. Hey, Lulu. And there's Monkey Boy, my boy. You can use your fingers or you can use a fork. You can do whatever you want.
Oh, wow.
And we'll just try that out.
Wow.
That's good, huh?
I could have a whole plate to myself.
You could, couldn't you, huh? So try that out, make it for game day. It's super cool, it's awesome, I love it, it's tasty. With the wings, the buffalo wings and the sticky rings, so good.
Right?
Corbin is my boy. Hey, thanks for watching. You wanna see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You wanna win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You wanna get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.